You won't believe how easy it is to replace this filter. Follow along with me as I replace mine. First, you need to access your Waterdrop filtration system. You may need to slide it out a bit so you can see and access the filter. On mine, you can see the CF light is dim instead of light blue, so that was one indication that I needed to replace it. Another indicator was that it was beeping anytime we would turn on the water. I ordered this new filter on Amazon. Remove the plastic from around the new filter and then pull off the new cap. Now grab and twist to pull out the old filter. Slide it out and then grab the new one. With the new filter, just start it in sideways, then push in and then twist to the right and it'll lock into place. And next we want to just reset that CF light so it'll stop beeping at us. Hold down the reset button for about 5 seconds and you'll see it blink and make a beep sound. This means it's reset for at least 12 months before it starts warning you again to replace. Next, you want to turn on the water and let it run for about 5 minutes just to flush out the filter. I noticed on mine the water was flowing a little rough. I checked underneath and I couldn't see any issues there. If you look at the water right now, it just doesn't seem to be flowing as smoothly. So I just decided to pull the filter back out and then put it back in and test again. And after letting it run for a minute, it started to flow smoothly again. You can see right there, looks a lot better. You could even see the air bubbles go away. And now there's a smooth stream. With the old filter, I decided to just put it back in the box, put the cap on, just basically pack it all back up, and then I just threw it away. Here's a quick look at the instructions. Feel free to pause so you can look at the steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad. Also, click the video above to watch the entire process of installing the Waterdrop filtration system. And definitely let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all.